Tired of manually emailing your team every time a Jira issue changes? Set up automatic emails in under 2 minutes. So here's the situation we've all been in. You update a ticket, you change a status, you add a comment, and then you have to track down everyone who needs to know. Maybe you copy a few people on an email, maybe you ping them in chat, maybe you just hope they check the board. It's tedious, it's easy to forget someone, and honestly, it's a huge time sink. What we're going to do today is build a simple automation that handles all of that for you. Here's the plan. We'll start by opening your Jira project, then we'll create an automation rule from scratch. I'll show you how to pick a trigger, something like when a work item is created, and then connect that to a customized email action. By the end of this, every time the right event happens in your project, Jira will send out an email automatically with no extra work from you. Let's jump into it. First step, open up your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in if you haven't already. You're going to land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left side panel. You'll see your list of projects. Go ahead and click on the one you want to set this automation up in. I'll be working inside my software project for this demo. Now, at the top right of your project view, you'll see a little lightning bolt icon. That's the automation icon. Click on it. When that panel opens up, you'll see an option that says Create Automation. Click that button. This is where the magic starts. So now we're inside the automation builder. The first thing you need is a trigger. That's the event that's going to start your rule. Click where it says Add a Trigger. A list of options will appear. For this example, I'm going to choose Work Item Created. This means anytime someone creates a new issue in your project, the rule will fire. But you could pick any trigger that fits your workflow. Issue updated, status changed, comment added. Pick your favorite. Once your trigger is selected, you'll see a little card for it in the builder. Directly below that card, there's a plus icon. Click that plus icon. A menu pops up. You want to click on Action. This is where we tell Jira what to do when the trigger happens. From the list of available actions, scroll down until you find Send Customized Email. Click on that. Now we're getting into the good part. This is where you design the actual email. You'll see a few fields to fill in. First, give your email a name. Something descriptive so you can find it later. Then choose your recipients. You can type individual email addresses or use smart values to automatically grab the reporter, the assignee, or anyone in a specific project role. Then add a subject. I like to use something like New Issue Created or Issue Key plus a summary. And in the body, you can type whatever message you want. Mention the issue details, add a link, keep it short and clear. Once you've got the email looking good, click the Next button at the bottom. You'll be taken to a review screen. At the top right, there's a button that says Save and Enable. Click that. A small window will pop up asking you to name your flow. This is the name for the entire automation rule. Call it something that makes sense to your team, like Auto Notify on New Issue. Then click the button that says Turn on Flow. And just like that, your automation is live. From now on, anytime that trigger event happens, Jira will send out that email you designed. No more manual notifications, no more missed updates. I've tested this setup in real projects, and it saves me hours every week. It's one of those small changes that makes a huge difference in how your team stays informed. Give it a try in your own project and see how much smoother your communication gets.